Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we are from Group 5. We will present the result of the paper we have made with the title, The Importance of Understanding Economics in Every Business Sector. Before that, let me introduce the members of Group 5 first. Our group has 4 members. The first is me, Eris Riwahida. The second is Firani Amanda. The third is Meliawati Intania Zahara. And the last one is Yolanda Ayu Rengganis. Okay, let's move on to the presentation of the paper. The first is about the abstract of this paper. These abstracts present the importance of economic understanding in every business context and how it can affect business performance. Because a good understanding of economics enable business stakeholders such as managers, business owners, and other stakeholders to identify business opportunities, manage risks, and make informed decisions. It also helps in planning effective business strategies and efficient use of resources. Besides that, in an era of increasing competition, a good understanding of economics gives business in all sectors a competitive advantage. By understanding market mechanisms, economic factors, and market trends, business stakeholders can optimize opportunities and better face challenges. It can be concluded that with a strong understanding of the economy, business stakeholders can take the right steps to achieve sustainable business success in every sector. Next is about the introduction part, because there are still many people who don't understand about the importance of good economic understanding in every business sector. Through the introduction of this paper, we want to highlight the importance of this by finding answers to several problem formulations that we will discuss in this paper. Among them is the question of why is understanding economics so important in every business sector? And then how can understanding economics affect business performance? And how can applying economic principle in a business environment increase the change of success? And the last is how does the impact of globalization and intense competition affect the importance of understanding economic business?
Result and discussion. Findings in the literature study show that a good understanding of economics has a significant impact in various aspects of business. The following are important findings regarding the importance of economic understanding in business opportunity identification, risk management, business strategy planning, and efficient of resources, as well as how good economic understanding provides a competitive advantage. Number 1, identify business opportunities. A good understanding of the economy enables business stakeholders to recognize business opportunities. By understanding market mechanism, consumer trends, and economic factors affecting the industry, they can identify opportunities for growth, new product development, or expansion into potential markets. Number 2, risk management. A good understanding of the economy helps in the management of business risks. By understanding price fluctuation, government policy changes, and other economic factors, business stakeholders can anticipate risks and adopt effective risk management strategies such as portfolio diversification or hedging. Number 3, business strategy planning. A good understanding of the economy supports effective business strategy planning. By understanding business cycles, market trends, and other economic factors, business stakeholders can plan appropriate measures to achieve long-term business goals. They can adjust prices, allocate resources wisely, and identify sectors that have growth potential.
Hello, I'm Brani Amanda. This time I will continue the previous discussion about the advantage of having a good understanding of economics. As explained by my friend, there are 5 advantages from the result and discussion. There have been 3 discussions presented earlier, and now I will discuss the fourth advantage, which is about the efficient use of resources. A good understanding of economics helps in the efficient use of resources. Business stakeholders can optimize the use of capital, labor, and time based on an understanding of economic principles, such as cost opportunism, elasticity of demand, and production efficiency. And lastly, the fifth advantage is competitive advantage. A good understanding of the economy gives business across sectors a competitive advantage. By understanding the economic factors that affect competitions, market change, and consumer preference, business stakeholders can respond quickly and make better decisions. This enables them to win the competition, create added value, and maintain a strong position in the market. Overall, a good understanding of economic provides significant benefits to business in every sector. In identifying business opportunities, managing risk, planning strategies, and using resources efficiently. It can be argued that a strong economic understanding provides a competitive advantage that enables business to achieve long-term success. Strong economic understanding provides a competitive advantage that enables business to achieve long-term success. That is the result and discussion about the benefits of having a good understanding of economics. Now, let's continue to the literature study. Several previous studies have highlighted the importance of understanding economic in business. Research indicates that a solid grasp of economics benefits business by facilitating the identification of market opportunities and effective risk management. Understanding economic principles enable business to identify market trends, adjust pricing strategies, and make informed decisions. Moreover, comprehension of the economy aids in business strategy planning by allowing proactive measures and better adaptation to change in the business environment. Additionally, a good understanding of economics influence investment decision making, enable business to evaluate opportunities, consider risks, and optimize returns. Financial management also benefits from an understanding of economics as it enables efficient cash management, cost benefit analysis, and financial risk management. Overall, a strong understanding of economic management contributes to business success in various sectors. It provides a competitive edge in the era of globalization and intense competition, allowing business to seize opportunities and achieve sustainable success.
The method used in making this paper, the first is literature study method. We identified relevant literature sources, such as journals and related research. And the second is analyze the collect information. To understand the importance of economic understanding in business in each sector. This literature study method helps us understand the importance of economic understanding in business without conducting direct research. We relied on existing research and knowledge to illustrate the importance of economic understanding in business success in every sector. The conclusion of this paper is that a good understanding of economics is crucial for business success in every sector. Through the literature study, it has been proven that a good understanding of economics affects business performance in a positive way. An understanding of economics enables business stakeholders to identify business opportunities, manage risks, plan effective business strategies, and use research efficiently. In a competitive and changing business environment, an understanding of economics provides business with a competitive advantage to optimize opportunities and better meet challenge. In addition, an understanding of economics plays an important role in investment decision-making and financial management of business. By understanding economic principles, business can carefully evaluate investment opportunities, optimize investment returns, and achieve long-term financial stability. In an era of globalization and intense competition, a good understanding of economic gives business in every sector a significant competitive advantage. By understanding economic factors, market mechanisms, and consumer trends, business can respond quickly, make the right decisions, and maintain a strong position in the market. In conclusion, it is important for business stakeholders, including managers, business owners, and decision makers, to continuously improve their economic understanding through research and learning. With a strong understanding of economics, they can take the right steps to achieve sustainable business success in every sector. So, mini presentation from our group. Thanks everyone.